right, my friends, I am making a very quick, this is a last minute meal idea. I have a gym class to go to and I want to make this simple as possible. I've made me a side salad and I decided that I'm going to make these 2 pieces of salmon for dinner. Now this is frozen salmon. So I had these were individually wrapped and I took those out and allowed them to thaw and then I patted them dry. Okay, so I'm just going to choose just randomly my seasonings of choice. I'm going to first pour some olive oil. Ooh, there's a lot on here and just massage this in. I always add oil to any fish. All right, this one's falling apart. Again, these were frozen fillets. I believe I'm going to try once again a different combination. I think I'm going to try my Goya adobo seasoning. You can never go wrong with this. This has become one of our favorites here. So I'm just going to apply this seasoning. I may cut this up and add to my salad, or I may eat this separately. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to also add my complete seasoning, just a little. And then always my dynamic duo, onion powder and garlic powder. And this doesn't require a lot. I am only going to season the top here. I'm not going to do that with the skin part. You feel free to do that if you eat the skin, but this is what we're going to do. And you know what? I'm going to add some black pepper. I always do. I love a little pepper. All right. And then I am going to heat my skillet and I want to sear these. I was going to bake these and these are just as delicious if you place these in the oven, but I am going to sear these because I want kind of a golden, if possible, crispy kind of texture. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. You can use any oil of choice, but I'm going to add about a teaspoon maybe. And I'm going to get this very hot, okay? So I'm just going to take the skillet and kind of move the oil around, but I want these to sear, so I do not want a lot of oil in my skillet. And I am going to place my fish here in the skillet. I believe this is pretty hot, but I'm going to have this skin side up. And I'm going to allow this to cook on medium-high heat for about a minute to a minute and a half. Okay, I am going to now reduce my heat to about medium. And let's see, I'm just going to use a fork here. And that looks great. It smells good. And here it is. Looking right delicious. Let me play this one here so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. Oh, please don't fall apart on me. Please don't. Okay, here we go. Doesn't that look heavenly? Doesn't this look so good? And again, I'm just going to pair this with a side salad. This is one of the quickest meals, I promise. And I really do like these fillets from Walmart. Guys, this smells so good and it just looks good. I really do want to take a bite actually before dinner, before I go to the gym. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. How flaky it is. This looks good. Let me see, it's piping hot. Can you see that? Hopefully you can. Let me try it. This is really good. Oh my gosh, this is good. That combination is excellent with this salmon. I will make sure to leave all the ingredients in the description box and I hope you give this a try. If you're looking for something really, really quick, guys, this is it. Throw together maybe a baked potato if you'd like, or sweet potato, but I'm pretty much on a low carb type of diet for the next month or so. So I'm just gonna have a salad with these beautiful, beautiful fillets. Don't these look heavenly? I hope you give it a try.